Brand new 2024 survival offer proven and tested on cold traffic by diamond vendors and affiliates. Start promoting the lost generator today and get 80% per front-end sale. High volume affiliates get in touch for CPA payouts and fast commission bumps. Best part? Get on this offer early while it's still rising in the marketplace. High conversion rate and AOV is giving great EPCs and the refund rate is low. Contact us. Pixels. Using ClickBank's integrated tracking feature, you would now be able to put your pixels in no time. There's no need to waste time waiting for pixels to fire or troubleshooting them when they don't. Email swipes. Subject line, 100-year-old secret slashes power bills by 90%. Hey name, imagine waking up to find your power bill has shrunk by 90%. Sounds impossible, right? Wrong. A long-buried invention from the age of steam engines is turning the energy world on its head. And trust me, the power companies are terrified. Picture this: no complex solar arrays. No noisy wind turbines. No backbreaking installation. All this is possible, thanks to Edison's lost invention. Here's the kicker: this isn't some far-off pipe dream. It's here, it's real, and it's already saving tens of thousands of Americans a small fortune. But here's what keeps me up at night: how long before they try to bury this again? The clock is ticking. 88,407 smart Americans have already secured their energy independence. Will you be next? For less than the cost of a fancy dinner out, you could be kissing those crippling power bills goodbye. Forever. Click here to uncover the 100-year-old secret that's making power companies sweat. Don't let another eye-watering bill land in your mailbox. It's time to take control. Signature PS: powerful forces want this closed down. So see for yourself before it's too late. Subject line: escape the grid, with Edison's lost invention. Hey name, what if I told you the key to true energy independence has been hiding in plain sight for over a century? Sounds crazy, right? But here's where it gets interesting. Thomas Edison, the genius who lit up the world, created something so revolutionary, so threatening to the status quo, that it was buried deep in the annals of history. Until now. Imagine a world where blackouts are a thing of the past. Your electricity meter stands still. Power companies send you refunds instead of bills. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality for a growing underground of energy rebels. The best part? You don't need a PhD or deep pockets to join this revolution. For less than the cost of a cheap smartphone, you could be saying goodbye to the grid forever. But how long before the powers that be pull the plug on this rediscovered tech? Time is short. Thousands have already claimed their energy independence. Will you be left in the dark? Click here to uncover Edison's most closely guarded secret. And light up your life. On your terms. Don't risk another day at the mercy of the grid. It's time to power up your freedom. Signature PS. This lost invention is so simple, yet so powerful, you'll wonder how it stayed hidden for so long. Discover the truth before it disappears again. Subject line: no more blackouts. New generator trick. Hey name, picture this: the power grid fails. Your neighborhood plunges into darkness. But your home? It's an oasis of light and warmth. Sounds like a superpower, doesn't it? Well, buckle up, because that superpower is about to become your reality. Introducing the generator trick that's shocking those in the know. Forget everything you know about off-grid power. This isn't about clunky, gas-guzzling monsters or fair-weather solar panels. This is about tapping into a 100-year-old secret. One big energy doesn't want you to know. Here's the scoop: it's not solar. It's not wind. It's pure Edison genius. Build it for less than a fancy night out. We're talking under $200. So simple, a child could assemble it. but so powerful, it makes electricians scratch their heads. But here's where it gets really interesting. This isn't just about keeping your Netflix running. This is about safeguarding your family when disaster strikes. Keeping your food fresh when others are tossing out spoiled groceries. Running medical devices without fear of failure. In short, it's about taking control when the world around you loses it. But fair warning, knowledge this powerful doesn't stay secret for long. How soon before someone decides this is too good for the public? Don't risk missing out. Click here to uncover Edison's lost survival trick and blackout-proof your life today. Signature PS. This could be the difference between thriving and barely surviving. Don't wait until it's too late to protect what matters most. If you need any custom email swipes or specific content, get in touch with us by hitting the button below. Coming soon. Demographics. We convert and have affiliates successfully making industry-leading ROIs for all traffic types such as Facebook, email, native, YouTube, TikTok and more. PPC ads. Coming soon. Affiliates terms and conditions. We thank you for your interest in becoming an affiliate of The Lost Generator. By promoting The Lost Generator, you hereby agree to the following terms of service. If an affiliate breaches the following terms, they will be instantly banned/blacklisted from promoting our products, and any future sales will be voided without warning. We reserve the right to change these terms at any time without notice. By continuing to use our website after such changes have been made, you are acknowledging acceptance of those changes. Affiliates may not employ spy tools or platform libraries for the intention of duplicating successful advertisements. Utilizing duplicate advertisements, scripts, ad copy, images, videos, or landing pages will result in the suspension of your account without prior notification. Affiliates may not copy, transcribe, paraphrase, reproduce or otherwise use in any format any text, video, segment of video, images, including before and after images, or files found on this website or within this website's content in their promotions other than those provided to affiliates for promotional use on this official The Lost Generator affiliates page. Affiliates may not falsely represent themselves as the creators or owners of The Lost Generator, or any employee of The Lost Generator, including brand ambassadors, Barnaby Brown, in their promotions. Affiliates may not bid on keywords, word, sentence, or phrase, on any search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo where any part of the keyword targeted contains the word The Lost Generator, such as by The Lost Generator, The Lost Generator, reviews etc. Affiliates are forbidden from creating web pages, social media pages or accounts that falsely represent themselves as the creators or owners of the Lost Generator product and must make it clear that the page is a review page and you're being compensated for the review. Therefore, any page and all creative contained therein must include the word review in the title, the URL, and any graphics used in the cover image or profile image. This includes blogs, web pages, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube or any other online entity whether or not it is considered to be social media. It is strictly forbidden to create apps for sale or for giveaway using the Lost Generator brand. You are also not allowed to create any other products using our brand name, for sale, or for giveaway. In other words, no free reports, books, or apps branded with our brand name whatsoever. In short, do not represent a product created by you or someone hired by you as ours. Affiliates may not use words such as fraud, scam, or similar terminology in their promotions including but not limited to, ad content, landing pages, video titles, written content or other metadata. You may not make any representation or warranties about the quality or sustainability of our products or services whatsoever. Affiliates may not promote, sell, wholesale or resell the Lost Generator on retail sites, auction sites, or app stores such as Amazon, eBay, Google Store, iTunes, or any other site that falls into these categories, in any way, shape, or form, This includes products created by you or by us. As well, selling products branded with the Lost Generator brand on Craigslist, Kijiji, or any other classified ad network is forbidden. Affiliates may not direct prospects directly to the checkout page bypassing the Lost Generator website. All customers must purchase through the Lost Generator website. In other words, no direct linking to cart or order forms from any ads or landing pages. The customer must see our offer as presented by us prior to landing on the cart. Affiliates are strictly prohibited from utilizing adware as a means of advertising the Lost Generator. Affiliates cannot run any PPC brand campaigns. This includes but is not limited to Google, Facebook, Bing, Instagram, Pinterest, nor bid on any the Lost Generator 3 branded keywords. Affiliates' websites, promotions, and material, regardless of country of domicile, must be in compliance with all applicable laws, regulations, and guidelines, including without limitation the Federal Trade Commission Act, FTC Act, the Controlling the Assault of Non-Solicited Pornography and Marketing Act of 2003, CAN-SPAM Act. Federal Trade Commission, FTC, regulations and guidelines implementing the FTC Act and the CAN-SPAM Act. The FTC's guides concerning the use of endorsements and testimonials in advertising, FTC Testimonials Guide, the National Advertising Division decisions of the Better Business Bureau, and other federal and state consumer protection laws, regulations, and guidelines. Affiliates must not use deceptive or misleading practices when promoting our products or services or use this program for any unlawful purpose or activity. Affiliate agrees to indemnify, defend, and hold harmless the Lost Generator from any lawsuits, investigations, claims, or complaints arising from any such violation or alleged violation of the terms above. The Lost Generator shall not be responsible to approve any affiliate ads. Compliance is solely with the affiliate, and the affiliate represents and warrants that it shall have legal review of all affiliate ads for all necessary and required compliance. Affiliates take full responsibility for their advertising. Affiliates must also never use any images or videos that they do not own, including the Lost Generator sales video, in whole or in part, and are forbidden from using any imagery that would imply any personal endorsement, celebrity or otherwise, without written consent from both the individuals making the endorsement and the Lost Generator. Affiliates must not attempt to manipulate our system by sending fake emails or creating fictional people who sign up. If this behavior is discovered, you will not be paid for these referrals and account will be terminated without warning. Affiliates understand the Lost Generator is solely responsible for customer service. We reserve the right to suspend or terminate your participation in this program at any time for any reason without notice, including but not limited to if we believe you are acting in violation of these terms and conditions or that your actions may cause harm to our users, other affiliates, or us. In such an event, we will not be liable for any loss or damage incurred as a result of suspension or termination, including loss of revenue, business interruption, loss of information or other intangible losses or other consequential losses incurred by you as a result thereof. This offer has been created by the applicable seller and not by ClickBank. Accordingly, ClickBank is not responsible for any information contained in the offer, including, but not limited to, any product information, promotions, incentives, expected returns, or other information contained herein. In addition, ClickBank is not responsible for any links to third-party websites in conjunction with this offer. Such links do not imply any endorsement by ClickBank of such websites or the content, products, or services available from such websites. By clicking on or accessing a third-party website listed, you acknowledge sole responsibility for and assume all risk arising from your use of any such websites. Contact affiliate support. ClickBank is the retailer of products on this site. ClickBank Registered is a registered trademark of ClickSales Incorporated, a Delaware corporation located at 1444 South Entertainment Avenue, Suite 410, Boise, Idaho, 83709 USA, and used by permission. ClickBank's role as retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in promotion of these products.